Alright, question 2. A vessel of volume 45 liters contains 3 moles of gas at 35 degrees Celsius. So we have to calculate the gas pressure, and then when the pressure of an ideal gas is increased from 5.5 to 1.5 and its volume decreases from 2.5 to 0.5, we have to calculate the final RMS velocity in terms of V if the initial root mean square of the gas is V. Okay, so this information is only for question A, then this is a whole different set of question lah. Okay, so let's look at the first question. So the volume given is 45 liters, and then we also have the 45 liters convert into apa unit dia? Cubic meter is 45 times 10 to the power of negative 3 lah. And then we have number of moles, which is 3 mole lah. And then we have the temperature. This should be in Kelvin. Okay, so you can just directly use PV equal to nRT. So you are looking for P, so nRT over V. So you should get the pressure to be equal to 1.71 times 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Okay. And then question B, we have the information. The first initial pressure is 5.5 times 10 to the power 4 Pascal. Then it is increased to 1.5 Pascal, and then you also have the volume, initial volume, to be equal to 2.5 10 negative 3 cubic meter, decreases to 0.5 negative 3 cubic meter. Then the initial root mean square is given as V. So we have to find the final RMS punya speed lah in terms of V. Okay, so for this case we can use this equation here, which is this one lah. Okay, so this is PV equal to 1 over 3 nm VRMS square. Okay, so we are gonna look at this situation two. We are gonna look at the initial and then the final lah. Okay, after that we are gonna find a constant ataupun the information that is the same for both final and initial lah. Okay, so this is P1 V1 equal to 1 over 3 nm V. Okay, this is only equal to V sebab VRMS, V square, because the VRMS untuk the initial is only equal to V. Okay, boleh. Then we have the second situation, which is P2 V2 equal to 1 over 3 nm VRMS untuk yang the second one lah. Okay, the second situation. So the one that is the same ataupun the one that we can kasi jadi subject is this one, 1 over 3 nm lah. Okay, and then we can equate them. So let me just do this one by one lah. So nm equal to P1 V1 over V square. Then we have this one, 1 over 3 nm P2 V2 VRMS. So yang ini kita boleh just equal lah. So 1 over 3 nm is the same with 1 over 3 nm here. So if we equate them, we have P1 V1 over V square equal to P2 V2 over VRMS lah. The one yang V1. Oops, this one ada square. Jangan lupa. Lupa sudah. Okay. So rearrange this untuk cari this VRMS square. So it becomes P2 V2 over P1 V1 times dengan V square lah. Okay. V square. Kejap. Let me double check. Why is it V? Oh, okay lah. Okay. So after that, we can VRMS yang ini square root P2 V2 over P1 V1 Ini kalau kita letak square root di sini, dia akan hilangkan. So, akan hilang begini. This will be hilang. So, this is V. Okay? So, substitute lah the values that you have. So, you should get the value 0.739V. Okay? Tidak complicated kan? This is just basically maths lah. The physics is only at finding the right equation. Okay. So that is your solution for question number 2.